go running in the rain. I've been there and back again. I know how to fix a heart. Love's the cure right from the start. Oh, the love we have is true. There is something special in you. Since your sun has set and the clouds are all that's left, oh, let's go running in the rain. Oh, let's go running in the rain. There you'll wash away the pain.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. This is Courageous K. And if you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe, click the notification down below so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today I'm back with another hair review. I'll be reviewing the pre-twist spring twist. And this video is sponsored by Amazon Beyond Beauty. I'll leave all the details in the description down below so you guys can go and check the hair out. Without further ado, let's get to it, guys. This is how the hair came, guys. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs of hair, guys. And these are the free goodies that came with the hair. These are the spring twists. I'll be going ahead and count 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Yes, 17 in this pack, guys. I have the hair in the color 1B27, but there are different colors. There are a wide variety of colors you can choose from. This is my braiding pattern, nothing too dramatic, just a simple backwards braid. What I do is push the latch hook from bottom to top, open it, put the hair through, close it, and pull the hair through and knot the hair once. I'll be doing this method throughout the entire hair, guys.
Here we go again. I gotta pay these bills, save something. I need 10 more hours in a day. And when I'm feeling stuck, something else comes up. Sometimes I wanna have fun, but I can't. Got problems that I'm dealing with. So many mistakes I made. I'm living with so many. But I gotta find a way to make it through today. I'm leaning on a song that says everything's gonna be okay. Stop carrying problems through your life. Just let it be, 'cause everything will happen. So get up on your feet and stop worrying about things. Everything's gonna change when you surrender. Get rid of bad people in your life. Have faith and see that anything can happen. So get up on your feet and stop worrying about things. Here we go again. I gotta start all over making friends. I need better people in my space. I wanna be in love. Other times I just wanna give up. I need to learn to trust, but I can't. Got problems that I'm dealing with. So many mistakes I made. I'm living with so many. But I gotta find a way to make it through today. I'm leaning on a song that says everything's gonna be okay. Stop carrying problems through your life. Just let it be, 'cause everything will happen. So get up on your feet and stop worrying about just right. Everything is gonna fall in place. Don't worry about you, stop worrying about everything. Everything is gonna work out fine. Everything is gonna be okay. Everything is gonna come on time. All I gotta do is live today. Everything is gonna end just right. Everything is gonna fall in place. Don't worry about you, stop worrying about it. Everything's gonna be okay. Everything's gonna be okay. Stop carrying problems through your life. Let it be, just let it be. 'Cause everything will happen. So get up on your feet. Stop worrying about it. Everything's gonna change when you surrender. Get rid of bad people in your life. Have faith and see that anything can happen. So get up on your feet. Stop worrying about things. Everything is gonna work out fine. Everything is gonna be okay. Everything is gonna come on time. All I gotta do is live today. Everything is gonna end just right. Everything is gonna fall in place. Don't worry about you, stop worrying about things. Everything is gonna work out fine. Everything is gonna be okay. Everything is gonna come on time. All I gotta do is live today. Everything is gonna end just right. Everything is gonna fall in place. Don't worry about you, stop worrying about things. Here we go again. I gotta pay these bills, save something. I need 10 more hours in a day. And when I'm feeling stuck, something else comes up. Sometimes I wanna have fun, but I can't. Got problems that I'm dealing with. So many mistakes I made. I'm living with so many. But I gotta find a way to make it through today. I'm leaning on a song that says everything's gonna be okay. Stop carrying problems through your life. Just let it be, 'cause everything will happen. So get up on your feet and stop worrying about things. Everything's gonna change when you surrender. Get rid of bad people in your life. Have faith and see that anything can happen. So get up on your feet and stop worrying about things. Here we go again. I gotta start all over making friends. I need better people in my space. I wanna be in love. Other times I just wanna give up. I need to learn to trust, but I can't. Got problems that I'm dealing with. So many mistakes I made. I'm living with so many. But I gotta find a way to make it through today. I'm leaning on a song that says everything's gonna be okay. Stop carrying problems through your life. Just let it be, 'cause everything will happen. So get up on your feet and stop worrying about things. Everything's gonna change when you surrender. Get rid of bad people in your life. Have faith and see that anything can happen. So get up on your feet and stop worrying about things. Everything is gonna work out fine. Everything is gonna be okay.
This is the finished product, guys. What are your take on the pre-twist spring twist? It is giving me a raster vibes. It is lightweight, easily to maintain, not much to be trimmed from the hair. It is versatile. All you gotta do is play around with the hair and you can get a lot of different styles from the hair.
Gonna be okay. Everything's gonna be okay. Stop carrying problems through your life. Let it be, just let it be.
The link to the hair is in the description down below. So if you guys are interested in the pre-twist, spring twist, you guys can go to Amazon Beyond Beauty and check the hair out. If you made it this far in the video, leave your girl a green heart in the comment down below or say green heart. Don't forget, if you like my content, to like, share, subscribe, click the notification down below so you don't miss an upload. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.
I'll find everything is gonna be okay. Everything is gonna come on time. All I gotta do is live today. Everything is gonna end just right. Everything is gonna fall.